The ZML Contour King by Zimmerman Manufacturing. The ZML 3-point bar is a 7x7 with folding wings that can be made for up to 16-row width or can be mounted on the 7x7 bar of your choice. The row units feature a patented swivel that allows for 30-degree movement. A Hydroflex system allows consistent tillage quality in uneven terrain with depth control on the go from your tractor seat. The row cleaners come in 12.5 or 13.5-inch sizes to best support your needs. The shank is adjustable with 3 depths, or can be removed and replaced with a 2-disc freshening system for spring seedbed preparation. The closing wheels have adjustable down pressure to match the soil type and condition. The open-sided rolling baskets are spring-loaded, easily adjusted to groom and form the perfect strip for planting. Other options available are auto rock rest, air cylinders for row cleaners, or can be set up to apply the nutrients you choose, liquid, dry, anhydrous, or a combination of two, where you control the applications. The quality construction makes it last a long time. The easy settings make the Contour King fun to operate. Contact Zimmerman Manufacturing in Southeast Iowa for more information about the ZML Contour King.